The first thing that you want to do is to go to your browser, then type Luno sign up and press enter. After a few seconds, this page is going to open, then you press the first link. When you get to this page, you have to have your personal information ready that you're going to use to sign up, and prepare the email as well as the password that you want to use to sign up. Note that you can always change the password in the future. It doesn't matter if it's too strong or too weak at this point. The only thing that you cannot change is your email. If you want the latest news and the tips, you click on this box and then click on the security check, I'm not a robot, and click on the blue option provided here to continue to the next step. Luno is going to send you a verification code to your email that you'll have to go and retrieve in order to continue to the next step. After you've confirmed the email, you're going to come back and click I've confirmed my email here to continue with the process. The second step, you have to fill up your number that you're using every day, or the number that you're using on a mobile, so that you will receive SMSs, notifications, and everything that is supposed to be communicated to you through the phone. A 4-digit code will be sent to your mobile. You have to come back and fill it up here to continue with the process. As you can see, we are almost done. You click keep going. Because I'm in South Africa, Luno has automatically put South Africa as my country of residence. You can come to this arrow here and choose any other country that you are currently residing in, and then continue with the process. You will have to share your location with Luno so that you can continue with the process. If you are using your mobile phone to sign up, you can turn on the location on your phone. The rest of the process is you filling up your personal information, starting with your first name, following by your middle names if you want to put it because it's optional, following up with your surname or your last name, then your ID number, and then you click next to create the account. Because I already have the account, this is why I have this on my screen. To you, it's not going to show this. It's going to show that your account has been created. And that is how you create your Luno account.